everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to show you how I take these two set of items and turn them into these. Alright, let's start with our first DIY, and these are the items that we'll be using. So I have this vase here that I got from my local dollar store, and I will be using some of this spray paint, black spray paint here that I got from Walmart, and spray paint our vase all black. Okay, so it's a few hours and our vase is all dry. So now I am going to use some of this Bling sheet that I have here that I got from BB Craft, and it comes as self-adhesive on the back, and we're just going to wrap it going right around the top part of our vase. Okay, now that that's all done, I'll be using some of this Bling wrap and again place it going around our vase using some E6000. And here is our finished look. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Our vase is all done, and I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. And here's our vase looks with some flowers inside. I think it looks even more beautiful with flowers inside. I got some fall, I think they're gold color fall leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have some tulips inside. I think they'll go together lovely, and I love how it turned out. It was a quick and easy DIY. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Now on to DIY number 2, our Glam Princess Pumpkin. So we're going to start with this pumpkin that we have here. And I'm going to take some of this gold metallic paint, again I got it from Walmart, and spray paint our pumpkin all gold. Alright, it's a few hours later and our pumpkin is all spray paint and dried. Doesn't it look nice? OMG. I love this metallic gold spray paint. It looks beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to take some of our Glam chain that we have here in silver and add it with some E6000 going around our pumpkin. And now that that's all done, I'm going to use some of these round, they're kind of like mirrored pieces. Not exactly, but these, I think they look so nice. And they have self-adhesive on the back. I got them from BB Craft. So I'm just going to lay them going around our pumpkin.
that you didn't take that from me. Girl, you respect yourself. Cause girl, right now you are all that I need and more. And one more chance is all I need, babe.
Now that that's all done, I have these legs that I got from Amazon. And well, they're not legs, they're knobs. So I'm using them as legs for my pumpkin. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to add them to the bottom of our pumpkin. If you could use E6000 or anything you'd like if you're doing this project and gluing down your items. And now it's time to add our princess crown to our pumpkin. I got this crown from Totally Dazzled. I'll leave a link below to all the items down below. Alright everyone, here is our glam finished look for our pumpkin. Doesn't she look nice? I love how she turned out. And I love the legs on the bottom, OMG. And look at her crown. I think she looks absolutely beautiful. And here's a closer look at her legs. Doesn't that look nice? The added knobs to make legs to elevate our pumpkin. I think it looks so nice. One more chance is all I need, babe. I just need you to understand just what I mean when I say I made a mistake. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I do hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 DIYs. And I do hope I've inspired you to do some lovely crafting for yourself or for a loved one. Alright everyone, remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.